welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's been a while, but I am back now. Yes, so I'm going to be posting once per week, and that will be on Sundays, so you can put your notification on so that each Sunday when I post you will be notified. All right, but yeah, so I think the last video I posted, the one, not the intro that was posted last week, but the one previously, that was like when Johnny was just born. Johnny's like 6 months now, so you guys haven't seen Jan. So I guess you can see more of Johnny now, more of Amari, and yeah. So anyways, today I am working remotely, so I am at home, but I'm taking a break from work and I'm trying to wash some clothes and all that jazz. So yeah, come along with me to another world. Oh, and I have flu thing. It's not COVID, it's flu guys. By the way, have you taken your vaccine? Let me know down in the comments if you have taken your vaccine. If not, why not? If you have, how are you feeling? Let's have a chat. Let me know. Okay, anywho's, come along with me. Just a little piece. John, you now look where I'm out there.
You like chocolate?
You can share it with her. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. My name is Baby John. You're not talking? Say hi. Say hi. Come on. She's just looking. Nothing to say?